I cannot wait for model-based engineering to become standard. This is the stupidest design I've ever seen. This fuse box lock is on top of the battery. So to get rid of it out of my wife's 2020 Equinox, you have to disconnect this one. Make sure none of the wires are clipped on anywhere. And then you also have to pull this one out. You have to pull this red tab back, and then using a screwdriver, getting this tab underneath to pop off. And now, since most people are doing this alone, you need to prop this up because it gives no wiggle room unless you want to disconnect every single wire that's going to it. Yeah, I think not. I have to say, this is a perfect textbook use case for model-based engineering, for modeling, not just the assembly, but also the servicing. Because, man, this is a pain in the butt. There's no reason it needs to be this difficult. So, this is a 13 millimeter, and there's a bracket on top. Those are 10 millimeter. So let me see if I can mount this up enough so I can pull it out. Think smarter, not harder. I'm just using a bungee cord. I don't know if it's the best thing in the world to do, but it gives me a third hand. So I was able to get this handle out from underneath the plastic housing, and that was good enough for me to get it out. It took about 10 seconds. A little easier than I thought it was, but now we got to do the reverse for that battery. And those are expensive now. So I'm going to do the same thing. Got the handle out from underneath. I'll be able to squeeze it back in once I get it in, but now I can pick it up and see if I can shimmy it in. Oh, there it is. It's in. Yeah, this battery was $200 from Walmart. Yeah, give me a break. At least they delivered it. But yeah, I think you guys can put it back together. And there we go. All back together. Like never even happened. Okay, so as I kind of alluded, these batteries have gotten expensive, or maybe it's just because it's been so long since I've done it. I mean, the last battery replacement was before COVID. This is the cheapest I could find. And that was Walmart. Walmart's pretty good when it comes to batteries. So I'm going to leave an affiliate link where you find links, and also the bungee cords. So, till later.